Let's get ourselves connected. Gotta get yourself connected.
Well, if you own a business, it's important to get customers, and how you do that, marketing and advertising. Well, the more unique ways you can find to get to your customers, in many cases, the more effective that could be, because I think a lot of people are just bombarded with print ads and billboards. So if there's some kind of fun new way, I think people are more engaged.
That's definitely true. So today we're going to look at a technology that uses Bluetooth in order to get your message out to people in their cell phones, their Bluetooth-enabled cell phones, as they come into a certain area. This is the Medita Proxima box. It basically allows you to put a number of campaigns on top. Yes, Mike.
It's not sexy, but it works.
But it's a sexy idea, because basically what happens is you use the software to load a number of campaigns on there. And when I say campaigns, I mean you could put short video commercials on there, or GIFs, animated GIFs, or just JPEG photos like coupons and things like that. You load it into this box from your laptop, and then it beams it out through a Bluetooth transmitter into the cell phones as they come into the area. Now, it works within about 10 to 100 feet of this transmitter box. It doesn't actually have to be attached to the laptop or your computer, which is kind of neat, because you can load everything on there, pick it up, take it with you, and put it into a mall environment or any sort of environment away from the computer.
It's kind of cool. It comes with everything you need. It comes with a box and the cable and also the transmitter thing here itself. And the management software, it's fairly simple to use. Basically, you want to create your little mini video commercial or just even a picture, make it kind of like a coupon type thing. Once that's done, you then set the campaign. So you can do this like hourly, weekly, monthly. It's pretty flexible as far as the times when it'll beam this stuff out. Once it's done, you dump it down into the box itself, you unplug the cable here, and then you'd want to stick this little guide probably at the front of your store with the transmitter here hooked up to the power. It doesn't have to be hooked up to the computer anymore, and at that point it starts beaming that message out to anyone passing by.
So pretend I'm walking by Mike's store right now. I just basically, hi Mike, coming into your store. I'm going to buy a few technology things. What I'm seeing on my cell phone in front of me here is it says there's an incoming item, and I have the ability to basically accept it or not accept it. So I'm going to accept it. Then it's just going to ask me if I want to play this video. So then I go in and I play it, and I can see right now I'm looking at a commercial for London Drugs and a Semantic product. So it's basically a really neat way to get kind of a quick message out to people right in their hands. Now, the one thing to keep in mind though with this is how many people out there actually have Bluetooth enabled on their phones?
Well, that's the thing. Most phones have Bluetooth now, but you have to make sure that it's turned on for this to work. So my question, and it's an awesome question, is like how many people do have their phones on to accept these Bluetooth messages? But that being said, I mean, it's a numbers game. I mean, there are millions of phones out there now, so there's obviously a certain percentage that do have that on, and it is a unique way. I know if I were walking by a store and suddenly my phone beeped me and asked me, hey, do you want to check this little video out? I would probably say yes.
Yeah.
And check it out, and that would engage me, and I would think that's different. You could be a pizza place, for example. Hey, pizza, just $2 right now this next hour.
Yeah.
And I like pizza, so I would probably go
away you'd go. For me, I'd have to be a hot dog stand or something like that. But the other thing that's really neat about this is it's got statistics built in. So if you're on the business owner side and you want to actually see how many people are receiving this or how many people are rejecting it, it will tell you that, which is really beneficial.
Well, yeah, so if everyone's rejecting it, you know that you made a bad investment. But my guess is like in a busy environment, like a busy street or a busy mall environment, this would be something that I think would stand out from all the other types of advertising that you could possibly do.